Welcome to Weekly Zap News, your fast, funny rundown of everything happening in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. This week, Anthropic dropped an AI model so good at finding software vulnerabilities that governments and banks immediately went into group chat panic mode. The model can simulate cyber attacks step by step, which is great for defense and terrifying for literally everyone else. It's like we finally built a genius security guard who also knows exactly how to rob the place.
Really?
With AI exposing vulnerabilities faster than ever, ZAPTEST helps organizations stay ahead by automating continuous security and regression testing across applications. Using AI-driven testing and codeless automation, teams can simulate real-world attack scenarios, identify weaknesses early, and integrate testing seamlessly into CI/CD pipelines before issues turn into full-blown incidents. At this point, hackers aren't coding anymore. They're just typing, "Hey AI, be evil but efficient." There was an attempted attack on OpenAI CEO Sam Altman this week, reportedly driven by fears about AI taking over humanity, which is wild because we've officially reached the point where sci-fi anxiety is now showing up in real life. Tech leaders are calling for calmer conversations around AI on the internet. Good luck with that. AI discourse is so intense, even my notifications are like, I'm gonna sit this one out. The CEO of Framework came out and said, personal computing is basically dead, thanks to AI companies hoarding all the computing power. Your laptop is no longer the main character. It's just the intern forwarding tasks to the cloud. Instead of owning powerful devices, we're renting intelligence one subscription at a time. It's like your computer looked at you and said, I could do this, but I won't. Buying a computer now feels like leasing a personality you don't control. Axios announced its big AI moonshot, aiming to scale operations using AI across the company. They say it's about productivity, not replacing people. But let's be honest, AI in the workplace is like that overachiever coworker who never sleeps. Companies everywhere are realizing AI isn't optional anymore. It's survival mode. It's not should we automate, it's how fast before someone else does it better. AI isn't taking jobs, it's just doing them suspiciously well. That's all for today. Before the GPUs start complaining, stick around and check out the ZAPTEST use cases in action. See you next week with more news. Be happy and let's zap.